Hi, and welcome to 5th Case tutorial on using eCopy PDF Pro Office. And this specific tutorial is to create stamps. In eCopy desktop software and eCopy Paperworks, there was one way to create stamps. In eCopy PDF Pro Office, there are three ways to create stamps. So let's go ahead and click on the stamp tool. Now I know this kind of can be confused. You might be thinking it's a person, but it's actually a stamp. You can click on that stamp and that will bring up the stamps library, and that's part of the process. So let's say you wanted to create a stamp out of the Canon logo. This is non-intuitive, I agree, so you're probably gonna have to write this down. You actually click on select area to start the stamp process. I agree. Why don't they just have a button that says create stamp? But they don't. So start with select area. I'm going to click on it once, click, hold, drag over Canon, and then come inside the box with my mouse. Now I'm going to right mouse click, and the right mouse click then gets you to create stamp. Alright, so I'm going to left mouse click on create stamp. That opens the stamp library automatically, and I have to put it in a group. I'm going to put it in standard group. I'm going to name this Canon -1. And then say OK, and now that is in the stamp library. It's in the standard stamp library, which is over here on your right. And there it is right there. So I can click, hold, drag, and bring over the Canon stamp. Your signature, if you can create a stamp out of your signature, simply write your signature down using a black pen on a white sheet of paper, scan it into eCopy PDF Pro Office, and then do what you saw me do. Select area. Now let's get the nuance. Make it a stamp. Select area. Click, hold, drag, release. Right mouse click over the box you just created. Click on create stamp. Let's put that in the standard group. Let's call that nuance logo. Click OK, and there it is. Now I can drag that over. Alright, so that's how you traditionally create a stamp with eCopy Paperworks or eCopy PDF Pro Office. Let's go out. Let me show you another way. Let's go out to our website. This is ecopysoftware.com. 5th and K owns the site. We're actually Nuance's #1 reseller of the software, known as eCopy PDF Pro Office. So here's an image right here. Let's go ahead and right mouse click on it. Left mouse click on copy image. Now, as you know, I'm using Windows to do this. This comes as standard with Windows. I'm going to copy that image. Now I've got it in the Windows clip art library. Now back over to stamps. Create stamp. So you got the stamp with a plus. I'm going to click on it once. And notice this create from clipboard image. Well, I know it's a little hard to see, but it's hot. I just clicked on it. There it is. There's my stamp I brought in from Windows. Let's go ahead and click on standard. Name it Power PDF. Whoops. Power PDF, and then say OK. And that stamp is right there. Click, hold, and bring it on over, and there it is. Right. So that's pretty cool. So that's a stamp from the clipboard. The third way to create a stamp is click on the stamp and the plus, and then this browse will take you into your hard drive. Now you can go into your hard drive and pull up any JPEG or GIF image and bring it out as a stamp. So once again, there are three ways. Click on select area to get a stamp off something that's on the page you're looking at. The second way is to create a stamp from something you've copied off your computer screen, whether it be something in Word or PowerPoint or off the internet. And then third way is to browse to your hard drive for stamps. That concludes us showing you how to use the stamp tool in creating stamps. It all starts with select area, click, hold, drag, hover over, create stamp, and that opens up the stamp tool bar for your selection purposes. Thank you. That concludes, like I say, that concludes how to make stamps. Thank you.